Chapter number 6. Rien ne marche pas bien. Nothing is going well. First of all, I'm going to read chapter 2, chapter reading, and then I'll explain this chapter. Rien ne marche bien. Salut, Denis. Et pourquoi es-tu triste? Ne me parle, Alex. Je ne veux pas parler. Now, simultaneously, I'm going to read the dialogues of Alex and Dennis. Dis-moi ce qui se passe. Tu as l'air triste. Est-ce que je peux t'aider? J'ai mon examen de français, mais je n'ai rien préparé. Mais pourquoi? Tu n'as pas tes notes? Non, ce n'est pas le problème. Comme toujours, je me suis réveillé tard le matin et je me suis préparé vite pour prendre le bus. Mais j'ai raté mon bus. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu as fait? Je suis parti toujours avec mon père dans notre voiture et papa me fâche beaucoup. Donc, es-tu arrivé à l'heure? Non, pas toujours. La voiture ne marche pas bien. Elle est tombée en panne. Ah, quel dommage. Puis, j'ai pris l'autobus et je me suis trouvé dans un embouteillage. Ouh là là. Dennis, c'est pourquoi je suis venu à l'école à pied. Je suis en retard et les portes de l'école sont fermées. La seule solution de ton problème est de te réveiller toute. Oui, j'essaie, mais rien ne marche bien. Ne t'inquiète pas et dans l'avenir, planifie bien ta journée. Hi Dennis, why you are sad? Don't talk to me, Alex. I don't want to talk. Now, the conversation. Simultaneously, I'm going to read the conversation between Alex and Dennis. Tell me what happened. You are looking sad. How can I help you? I have my exam, French exam, and I have not prepared anything. But why? You don't have the notes? No, that's not the problem. Like every day, I wake up late in the morning and I prepare myself to take the bus, but I miss my bus. What do you do then? I go by car with my father, and my father scolds me a lot. So you arrive at time? No, not always. The car is not functioning properly. It gets breakdown. Oh, what a pity. Then I take autobus and I found myself in a traffic jam. Oh ho. And that's why I go to school on foot and I am late and the doors of the school closes. The only solution of your problem is to wake up early. Yes, I try but works. Nothing works well. Don't worry, in future plan your day well. Now we are going to discuss the comprehension questions. Question number 1. Répondez aux questions suivantes. You need to answer the following question. A part. Pourquoi Denis a-t-il raté son bus? Why Dennis missed his bus? Parce que il s'est réveillé tard. Because he wakes up late. B part. Où Dennis a-t-il voulu aller? Pourquoi? Where Dennis want to go and why? Il a voulu aller à l'école. You want to go to the school Why? Paska, because he has missed his bus. Paska il rate, il a rate son bus, because he has missed his bus. C part. Est-ce que Denny a essayé de se réveiller tôt? Does Dennis try to wake up on time? Yes, he try his best. Oui, Dennis a essayé de se réveiller tôt. Question number 2. You need to take the correct answer. Options are given. Je travaille dash les jours. I work dash the day. To is every. Avec is with. Par is by. So I work all the days. B part is your correct answer. Je travaille tous les jours. B part. C'est ton premier jour. Sois à la dash. It's your first day. Be on dash. Be on exam. Be on time. Be on autobus. Be on time. Next. Il se dash beaucoup. He dash a lot. He worries a lot. He brises to, just wait a second. Tombe is to get down, and brise is broken. So il se inquiète. He worries a lot. Mardi vient dash lundi. Tuesday comes dash Monday. Ensuite is then. Pour is for. Après is after. So Tuesday comes after Monday. So this is your comprehension of the chapter. I hope the chapter and comprehension is clear to all of you. The further grammar portion and the back exercise will continue in next class.